Let me do it. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Yeah, you have to touch this. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like 2 or 3 weeks since I posted a video. That is my bad. There's been a lot going on with school. I have tests. I got work. Yeah, I just have a lot going on right now, and I haven't gotten around to like making and or posting a video. But today I am doing an unboxing for some hair. Okay, anyway, so I have this friend. Her name is Jasmine Snell, and she has a hair company. How cool is that, right? Anyways, so I just ordered some hair from her because guess what starts on Friday? Oh Lord. Spring break starts Friday, so I had to get some hair for spring break. So I got some hair from her, and right now I'm going to do like an unboxing video. So I ordered the hair. Today is March 6th, a Tuesday. I ordered the hair on Friday. It is Tuesday and the hair came today. That's how fast it shipped. Anyways, so it came in this package. And yeah, so I can't really give you too many details about this. This is just a really quick, it's just a really quick video, but just showing you what I got and whatnot. But be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. I can't post the link to the website right now because she's still working on some stuff on it, but as soon as I'm able to, I will post the link in the description box below so you guys can get your hair. I am one of her hair ambassadors, so yeah, like, you can trust me. Yeah. Anyways, okay, so I bought 3 hair bundles and I bought a frontal. Yeah, they came in just, yeah. But anyways, so here is the frontal. I got, I think it's Brazilian curly, deep curl I got. This is 20 inches. This is the frontal. It is pre-plucked, so I don't have to worry about messing up the hair. But yeah, you can, I don't know if you can really see, but the hair is pre-plucked. Yeah, I just have to bleach. Ooh, do I? Yeah, I have to bleach the knots, but that's easy. Anyways, comes with some baby hairs. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, there's some baby hairs there, you know. So it's pre-plucked, comes with baby hairs already here. This is 20 inches. Whew. I think I got the 13 by 2. I'm pretty sure this is 13 by 2. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, 13 by 2. I can't give you prices because the website's not up. But yeah. Okay. Then yeah, it's deep curly. I'm pretty sure it's Brazilian. I can't really remember right now. But and the lengths that I got were 24, 26, and 28 inches. That's gonna be long. Cause like my hair long, as you can see. Anyways, I'm gonna show it to y'all. Wow, I can't function today. yeah, so this is JSHair. My best friend is here visiting me. She don't be wearing weave like that, but she said she about to become a Brenda wearer. Yeah.
The hair is super soft, guys. I kid you not. If it was trash, I would let you know.
She will definitely let you know. Yeah, this hair is,
wow, I'm impressed.
It's so soft. And I'm really not saying that because Jasmine is my friend. Like, really and truly.
Oh, this hair is nice. This hair is really good quality hair. Wow, I'm impressed. Impressed is what I am.
Amazing. So, yeah. It's really nice and curly. Oh my gosh. And it's so soft. I really... And it's nice and it bounces, but listen. Alright. Y'all not ready for spring break, Angie. That's what we're gonna talk about right now.
Look, y'all. Last night took a L, but tonight I bounced back. Hey. What?
Hey.
Did you see the bounce back?
Hey. Okay, so yeah. They have
instant replay on that one. I've dropped the song in that.
So here in the West, girl, like, it is so nice. I'll come back when this wig made and show y'all. I don't know if I'm ready. So yeah, like, just be on the lookout. If you don't follow me on social media right now, follow me. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now, because as soon as I get the info for this stuff, I'm going to post it. I'm going to make a video, all that stuff. So make sure y'all doing that right now. I'll wait. Go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you want to turn on your push notifications, you can do that too. I'm gonna give y'all time. Okay, only takes 2 seconds. Anyways, yeah, definitely follow me on social media. As soon as like the website is up, I'll probably post on social media so you guys can go ahead and get you some hair. This hair, no, like, I'm not even exaggerating. This hair is really nice. Like, I'm excited to put this in. So that's just a quick little intro for this hair. Get this when it's available. Be on the lookout. Stay tuned. I'll also put the page that you can follow, so you can follow the Instagram page of the hair and whatnot. And again, like I said, as soon as the website is up, I will post the link in the description box. So make sure you're following, subscribing, and all of that. And yeah, that's it for now. When I finish the wig, I'll come back and let you guys see it. So yeah, that's it for now. So I'll talk to you guys later.